Exactly 10:42 this evening. Takio, Rapidio, gracias. Nentero vivientes del ciudad de Zamboanga. Por el amor y soporte dale conmigo. Inade amo entero grupo de la Team Zamboanga. Thank you. Takeneon, nasabio, may palabra ko sa labat. Thank you, ustedes todo. Natuto ko sa sinaw pero se desvía por lazo. I promise to work hard for Zamboanga City. Pambangat yo. Ay, llamando ustedes conmigo. I know. No ustedes su mi idea. From the beginning. Sabi ustedes pa yung struggle. But God is so good. Like na support natin. Until the last minute. Pagkingan natin si God. Thank you. Na mga supporters, especially your mother who works so tirelessly. Thank you so much, Mommy. I love you. Sabi to me. Na mga hermano, Kaiser, sabi yung naitugan na, but in my heart, you won the election. Sino, dahil igual, kandidat sa kontra. But then, I know you work hard. And I congratulate you. And I salute all the time. To my wife, Mary Joy. It's been my very supportive fan. Nakikumigo on the side. Thank you, my love. Takinim yung work. So they supporting me. Pero, Vivientes, na natin naman de Zamboanga. Gracias, especially con el daton former. Sir, ito gaste, yang push conmigo, sabi tu, tan push conmigo por el mayor since 2023, okay. Then until last minute, cuando I finally decided to run, Takio, I ran for mayor para con ustedes aquí sa Zamboanga. Lagaan nyo, kailan pa yung 2 times na Congress, but then, andayo yang ratio for mayor because I want to serve and do more better for Zamboanga City.